What's going on YouTube? So it's Martin
and Kristina
from Thrift Store Gold back at you with another video, daily uploads. So today we're going to be talking about 6 gold that sold on eBay for us. So we're going to show you guys what we sold, how much we sold it for, how much we bought it for, and so you guys can be on the lookout for these as well. So I'm going to cut this intro and we'll be right back. Okay, so now that you guys are back from that intro, her name is Kristina, my name is Martin, we're a reselling couple, we've been documenting it all on YouTube, and we actually just hit 2,000 subscribers, so thank you guys so much, thank you all of you, it's really making our dreams come true, we cannot thank you enough. But today we're going to be showing you guys 6 gold that sold in this video, so stay tuned and hope you guys enjoy.
So the first thing that we had sell for us was this LL Bean skirt.
Which is funny because Kristina literally keeps thinking these are my shorts for some reason, but they're a skirt. But anyways. But
yeah, sorry. So they're a skirt, and we picked them up at the bins at our latest bins trip for probably like 30 cents, honestly. Way less
around
than a pound.
there. Yeah. They're very light.
Super light. So those sold for,
I guess we'll have to get the prices.
Those sold for $17. That was actually an offer that I sent out to that buyer, plus $3.99 shipping.
So not bad.
Next thing that sold, we're super excited.
Yeah, so if you follow us on Instagram, this has been in my stories the past couple weeks actually. Well, not weeks I should say, because we picked it up only 2 weeks ago. But it's really awesome.
Yes, so the first post that Martin had about it was like, what the heck is this
Yeah,
thing?
I didn't even know what it was.
And so people were like, it's a transformer.
Like a vintage Transformers from like the 80s.
So it's like a little cassette tape.
Yeah,
oh,
and don't worry guys, I'll get B-roll of all this. But it's, yeah, I'm just gonna wait for the B-roll. You guys will see in the B-roll right now. So it's just a little cassette tape.
It's Soundwave Transformer, I guess, but he just turns into like a little dog. We picked it up, it probably seriously was like 5 cents because it's in the hardware, so that's 39 cents a pound.
It probably was like a cent.
Like this big. So yeah, it sold for $14.86. I believe I had it listed for $14.99, so they must have just sent us that offer, plus $3.99 shipping. But it literally sold within probably like half a day, so I was like, I should've
so if you
listed it
can
for
find
more.
these little characters, they might be a quick BOLO because they sell pretty quick, I bet. And we were looking more research into it. If you could find the full set to what this little cassette goes to, it's money.
Yeah,
I'll put a screenshot up.
I think it was $165 for the full set, and it was bid on, so it was.
It was a bidding war.
Next thing that we had sell were these pair of Morels, the Vibram or whatever.
Our first Morels.
Yes, but they're really nice on the bottom, so we picked them up. We picked them up at the bins, and those are, I think it's $1 per pound, and I'm pretty sure we only paid $2 for those, and they sold for $24.64.
Not bad.
So they're obviously, as you can tell, not in like amazing condition, but they're not in horrible condition either.
I mean, I hope the buyer knows that this back piece is a little ripped.
There was a picture and disclaimer on it. But yeah, so they even just look like a little bit flat or anything. Like, people still want them, and
it goes to show,
$25 is not bad.
People will still buy just like, I guess, raggedy shoes from the thrift store if they're not too bad. Like, we found a couple shoes with holes and everything we would not go for. But even so, we've been getting tips to touch up some paint jobs if there's some scuffing and everything. So we really want to get into shoes. So we got to find more time, and we got to actually find more shoes in the thrift store because we never have luck with shoes.
We should just stick with bin shoes though, because there's so many there.
Yeah, we're gonna keep digging at the bins. Don't worry.
But next thing that sold was this Buffalo Bills corduroy hat.
This was really cool.
We picked this up at the bins also. Probably, I don't know how they charge for hats. It's not in clothes, so it's probably in hardwares, honestly.
I would think hardware.
Yes, I'll have to, maybe next time we pick up a hat, double check. But this hat sold for $20.39. We had it listed for $23, and then I think it was on sale, and the buyer just full out paid what we had it listed on sale for. So yeah, $20.39 from a 39-cent purchase.
There we go. So yeah, really cool, just like vintage corduroy hat. That's what I was trying to get at, the corduroy.
Next thing that sold was this Vera Bradley crossbody purse kind of deal. I don't know. You know. These things are like, they were like the most basic common purses like few years ago. Still going around, I guess, but this was something that we're actually selling for somebody. But we're happy to get it out. So it's 21.
50-50.
Yes, 21.24 is what it sold for, plus 30. Wow, plus $3.99 shipping. It's so light, it definitely won't cost $3.99 to ship though.
No. Super awesome on that, which was actually funny because we were with that person yesterday,
yes, when
and
it sold.
they were asking, oh, has things sold, and I was like, oh, we'll check our phones. Instantly, that was like sold within minutes from that conversation.
Literally, I was like, oh my gosh, we just got paid for your purse. And then finally, this is like the 10th time I've taken a picture of this Old Navy sweater and tried to get it listed. I'm not kidding you. I had pictures on the Canon that got erased when the memory card got all screwed up. Like, I don't know, but I finally got it listed, and a day later it sold.
Wow.
So I should have had it listed, or it was just the right time, you know?
The right buyer came around.
Yes. It sold for $11.99, so Old Navy you can't really flip for too much because it's not really an expensive brand as it is in stores, but like stuff like this big chunky knit sweater, this was mine, and I paid $40 for this in store, so like I knew I could get a little bit of something out of that, so $12, not bad. I can't wear it anymore, and
it was going to be donated anyways.
Exactly. So, and I tried 4 times to sell it, so
that's so funny.
Shout out to this lovely woman who finally
seller,
bought it.
or the buyer.
Yes.
But that was pretty much our gold that sold video. We know this was a little bit of a shorter video than usual, but that's okay. Like, it's okay to have short videos. I'll probably cut that out.
We just want to give 2 great shout outs to CJ and Laura from Famous Footwear. Yes. They are continuously supporting us and always being amazing and always loving Mama Gold, so we appreciate that.
Yes, so thank you for watching our videos.
Yes.
We appreciate every single one of you watching our videos. Like I said in the beginning, we hit 2,000 subscribers, so we're so mind blown, so thankful, so grateful for all of you. You guys are making our dreams come true, like I said. So make sure to smash that like button. If you like this video, leave a comment down below if you want to share any love, or if you got any tips, or if you have any bolos that you sold that you want to share as well, because we need to know.
Yes.
So on that note, hope you guys have a great day or night whenever you're watching. Make sure to go crush it. Peace.